Bingo Cash is only worth your time if you treat it as a skill-based game with optional cash tournaments, not as a guaranteed way to make money. The official app lets you play free gems tournaments and a free roll, while cash tournaments require an entry fee. Bingo Cash Tournament. By the end, you'll know what actually determines your potential return, how to test Bingo Cash without depositing, and what numbers you should track before deciding whether the app is worth continuing. Start with the free options. Bingo Cash says you can collect free gems daily and use them in gems tournaments, and it also offers a free roll tournament. That gives you a way to learn the gameplay without immediately risking your own cash. Bingo Cash Tournament. The gameplay rewards speed and accuracy. You search your board for called numbers and daub them, with faster daubing producing more points and charging your booster meter faster. You can make a bingo with a horizontal line, vertical line, diagonal line, or all four corners. The game ends when the timer reaches 0. Bingo Cash Tweft. If you move into cash tournaments, check the entry fee before every match. Bingo Cash gives an example of a tournament requiring $1 and 600 gems, with the entry fee deducted after you enter. Bingo Cash 3E. This is where the time versus money question matters. A paid tournament doesn't guarantee that you'll finish with more cash than you entered with. Your result depends on your final score and position. So track your actual entries and winnings rather than judging the app from one successful game. Bingo Cash also has rewards that aren't direct cash. For example, the company says a $1 entry fee can provide up to 550 gold nuggets, with the actual amount depending on your score and other game factors. Gold nuggets are used for in-game progression, so don't count them as withdrawable money. Bingo Cash 4-tier. Withdrawals have their own rules. Bingo Cash says there is a minimum withdrawal amount and a processing fee, but the current support page doesn't publish those amounts. It also says withdrawals are processed within 14 days, although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Bingo Cash 5. One detail can reduce what you expect to receive. When you request a withdrawal, Bingo Cash says all remaining bonus cash is forfeited. Bonus cash itself isn't withdrawable, although winnings earned using bonus cash can be withdrawn. Bingo Cash Tournament. So, is Bingo Cash worth the time in 2026? Test it for free first. If you consistently enjoy the gameplay and your recorded cash winnings justify your entry costs, it may be worth continuing. If you're playing mainly because you expect guaranteed income, the numbers don't support that expectation. Your practical next step is to use the free gems tournaments or free roll. Record your results, and only then decide whether cash tournaments make sense for you. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews.